guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm getting ready to do my nighttime facial using the Freeman's Feeling Beautiful Anti-Stress Dead Sea Minerals Clay Mask. This is my first time ever using this product. So I've already taken my makeup off with some makeup remover towelettes. And now I'm just going to wipe my face down with a warm washcloth to get ready to apply my clay mask. So, okay, let's get ready. Okay, so my face has been washed and now I'm getting ready to apply the clay mask. It's a really pretty teal green color and it's kind of thick. I mean, it's not the thickest that I've ever had to deal with, but yeah, it's not too thick. And so what I did here was I just applied it all over my face, and the key to it is you want to get your face covered. See, it's that teal green looking color, like an aqua almost. But yeah, I'm getting my face covered up and trying to get all areas. Try not to miss a spot. And you're gonna need a little bit more, not too much. It's better to start off with a small amount rather than a large handful, because it'll just go to waste. You don't want it too thick because it's only going to stay on for a short amount of time. Yeah, that smelled really good. It has a really good smell to it and I just love it. So I'm just going to keep applying the product till my face is fully covered. Okay guys, my face is all clean. So, okay, I'm going to cut this light off so you can see this really good. I'm getting ready to apply the Oil of Olay Complete. It's the oil moisturizer. Now, I wasn't going to use this tonight, but I don't want my face dry. Okay, get that light back on. It smells really good. Now, my plan was just to use this in the morning after I use my African Black soap, but hey, I'm just going to use a little bit. It only takes a little bit, and I'm going to put dollops all over my face and rub it all in. Okay, so now my last step, I'm going to apply my Vaseline so that my lips are super smooth in the morning along with my face. That's about it, guys. It's time to hit the sack. Good job, Creasy Gal. Thanks, guys.